Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go over what's inside this my take on a shabby embellishment box. I did a video the other day on how to make these shabby flowers using lace trim. Here's some gold washi tape. And just for reference, I noticed videos of these, they look a lot bigger than they are. It's roughly about 7.5 by 6.5, so they look bigger, but they're actually still tiny. And these are from Dollar Tree for $1. You can also order online and have shipped to the store for free. Anyway, okay, so here's the inside. Get a closer look before I rip it apart. So this is my first shabby project that I've ever done. I'm working on like a spring one that's kind of shabby, but this is like shabby glam something. Okay, so back here, actually let me get what I use as well. Back here, I just I put crinkle paper on the bottom of every little compartment. But anyway, these little sticks, they're left over from my daughter's birthday party. It's like the same sticks that are rock candy, but I ordered them on Amazon, but I have seen them in the baking section at Joann's and I think Michael's. They're like lollipop sticks or something. Anyway, they're super, it's like a skewer, so I just get my scissors and cut it down to whatever compartment I'm shoving it in. So I measure my sticks, snip it with some scissors, close your eyes because that piece goes flying. I don't even know where they're all at. They go flying. And I just, you know, alternate the heads and then shove them in. So I did a shabby eyelash trim, some gold eyelash trim, and more of a fuzzy fur for the third one. The next one, usually I just throw the clothespins in there, but this time I just backed them on a little square piece of paper. I added some eyelash trim to make it, you know, a little bit extra shabby, but not too much. These flowers are from Michael's, but it had a silver rhinestone, and I felt like it didn't flow with like all the pearls I had throughout, so I just ripped it off and put a pearl on instead. And like I said, those are just on this so that I can see they're in there and they don't fly around. These guys, same thing, pink little paper clips. I think these are from Dollar Tree. And then I put little flowers from spring or summer last year at Michael's. They were on clearance and I grabbed them for God knows what reason, but I got them. And now I get to use them. So cute itty bitty little ones. Shove those in there. In here is just like buttons and knickknacks and stuff from my stash, because that's what these embellishment boxes are basically about, is use what's in your stash, you know. Like I said, these flowers, they didn't go, so I just ripped off, you know, what was there and fixed them. And this one, because some of these compartments, I don't know if you can tell, see how it bulges right here? You can actually fit washi tape in this thing. I think that's what these three middle sections are for, is washi tape rolls, but that's not what I use it for. So see how stuff is like hanging over the top of the box? It's fine because it'll still close. So this one, I just used my doily, my Creative Time doily. It's got a little stitch, then I did it on some puffy tape to give it dimension, some lace, a couple flowers from Michael's, they're new this spring. Some eyelash trim, some pearls, and then I just did my two-way glue by Zig, and I just, you know, kind of painted it on there, and then I sprinkled white glitter on there. And I kind of did the same thing for all of them. I just changed it up like this. I didn't put some stems. I used pink pearls instead. This one, I did pink pearls, no stem, with a peachy color. So I thought those were super cute. Those go there. Then this guy, These are from Hobby Lobby, these little glass things. I didn't know, I've never sent glass, so I didn't know if it was going to break. I got scared. So I just screwed this little like hook thingy in there and did some gold thread for my sewing machine just so she can at least pull it out, you know, that's what that's for, there for, is some leverage. A little keychain from Hobby Lobby, a little key shaped charm from Hobby Lobby clearance, and then I wrapped it with some Daiso lace washi tape just so the glass doesn't like cling and somehow break, because the stuff I get sometimes is like that postman is so rough and I feel like stuff could break, so the last thing I want is my swap partner to have broken glass everywhere. Then this little spot are these beautiful flowers. They are new to Michael's, so I threw a couple of those in there. Then this one are keys. These are from Michael's. They're like they come in different colors, silver and like more of a bronzy color. Anyway, I just painted with some pink paint and then a shimmer pink paint, acrylic paint of course, and then did some like twine, made a bow kind of, put a flower, a little pearl, did some stickles, some eyelash trim. And each of the keys, it comes in a pack of 4 from Michael's for $2, I think. So yeah, I put a pearl down here. They're all different shapes, so you can kind of see it here, or more so in this one, the top parts. So I just did like a thicker satin. I definitely like this twine look better. So I included 3 of those guys. I feel like I added eyelash trim to everything to make it like, I don't know, extra shabby. Then these guys you saw me make in my video as well. Okay, there's like crinkle paper everywhere. Just some shabby white flowers. I just put a flat back pearl center. I have 2 of them in there, and then just some like die cuts from the Prima paper pad that I used. And they could just shove on in there because it's fabric and it's okay if you smash it. Then this last little section is a My Creative Time bow. It's a stitched scallop bow. These are so cute. This is the small size, so it's about, I think, if I remember right, it's 2 inches wide from fin to fin. I added some eyelash trim in between the 2 layers that you glue together, and I put a flat back pearl. And then I did 3 dots of liquid pearls, like right down the sides of the pearl. I thought that was cute and added like a special touch. I don't know. So hopefully my swap partner, whom is Scrapdaworld here on YouTube, Miss Tamika, she's like the queen of shabby. So I try to make everything like as shabby as I could, because this isn't normally my forte. Like I normally just do regular stuff, not shabby, but I whipped out the shabby girl and this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, bye.